blah. That's your forecast for today. Now here's a look at what's going on in your neck of the woods.
Look, your screen, Al's calling for a flash flood warning. Now, normally I would say that seems highly unlikely, but, you know, we are in Hollywood, you never know what can happen, especially in Universal Island. I did see some thunder and lightning, and oh, there's the rain, seems to be right on cue. Probably because we are in Hollywood, and that rain is not real. It's not coming from the skies, it's coming from the overhead sprinkler system out there, on top of those wood poles, just how we create rain for the movies. But do not worry about that flash flood warning. Like I said, we do create it, we control it. So weather guys, thank you, but you can shut the rain off now. Weather guys, can you hear me? This is Tour Guide Joe. I said you can shut the rain off. Oh no, everybody. They can't shut the rain off. Al might have been right with this flash flood warning after all. Keep your eyes open. I have a bad feeling about this. This rain is not letting up. Oh no, everybody. There it is, headed back to the tram. The flash flood. Take cover.
Woo! Oh my God. Oh, look at that. Look at that.
Take a look at your screen so you see from Big Fat Live that film right here.
You cannot run the wolf, kid! Yeah, we'll see about that.